election. Pero hindi ako sumasali dito sa mga complaints na ito sa Kongreso. I went to the proper forum, House Electoral Tribunal, and then sa COMELEC. Nagpile ako ng disqualification case against
your opponent, Sandra Sema.
No, against somebody there.
Okay.
Say it's already against my opponent. And then yung isa naman yung leader nitong gumawa ng katiwalian during the last election. Meron ako mga affidavit, so I went to the COMELEC to disqualify this candidate.
Okay.
At kuha ng panalo na rin kasi walang kalaban. So, mamaya, we hope na very orderly ang discussion and we will abbreviate the proceedings as much as possible para tuloy-tuloy tayo sa canvassing. Kung may mga questions, the rule says, pag nagkaroon ng division at hindi magkaunawaan itong House pati Senado, the final decision will be with the Senate President and the House Speaker. So sa bagay na yun, at the end of the day, madali yan. But it is very important, magpag-usapan na rin natin ito. Anyway, we have a timetable, possibly June 4, matatapos lahat-lahat. So pabayaan na lang natin itong mga congressmen at kung sino-sino dyan ang nagko-complain. Because this will serve public interest. Alam nga naman, nakikita natin dyan na yung situation, ay may problema, tameme tayo. Sasabihin na lang niya, hindi lang tameme yan, tanga pa yan. Diba?
Okay, sir, well, he's about to rush, and I think, but let me say goodbye properly. Congressman Nat, thank you very much. I think he's running now to his school, to his meeting. Congressman Dilangalen, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for coming. Now, ANC will again cover the House Program Coalition Live. That's later at 9 o'clock. More news after the break. Stay with us.